Speedy K's mobile detailing specialist here. Speedy K's has been providing professional services since '94. Not only with that, we've been providing company, fleet, and professional detailing packages. We have hundreds of companies that we not only utilize our services for their company fleets, but also their associate staff. So if you're looking for professional services for the company fleet vehicles and or the associates, we can provide these services. Within our link here, this just basically explains some of the services that we offer and or have done for companies. These will just give you a quick overview of some of the services that we do and or even more than they're listed. You can always call and ask for other added services and or email us. This is just more or less an overview for you as a company, kind of looking into a professional service which Speedy K's offers. We provide you a professional estimate, usually with 2 to 3 different packages within your proposal. So if there's something you are looking for and are looking for a proposal, we'd be more than happy to get that proposal out to you. When inquiring about with a proposal, please do make sure you submit your full company name, information, number of vehicles that you're looking to have services, the years, makes, and models of the vehicles if possible, and company budget and or packages needs. This will help us at least provide you with somewhat of a proposal to kind of give you that overview of what you may be looking for. Now, if this isn't something that fits your budget and or needs, and or the packages just don't look like the right packages, if we built you a proposal, we can always change up these packages and create them to your budget and your needs. So if you're looking for professional grade services from an on-site, fully certified professional detailing company, then Speedy K's is here to help you. So just let us know and we'd be more than happy to help.